Hello everyone, my name is Thao and today I'm come back with another unboxing video. But today it is not Lazada unboxing video, it is TikTok shop. So it is such been a while, I think such a long time I didn't purchase any product from TikTok shop because I watch TikTok over time. I saw people they introduce their product looks so delicious, so yummy, and I feel it is a year already, almost a year already I didn't try this one. So let's check what is it inside. And I think I'm gonna have a Vietnamese version for this video because as a content creator right now I try to build myself with content creator with videos. So I think I'm gonna make a affiliate link for this video. So I don't know if I got people order for my video or not, but I am so excited when I think about it. I will have a mukbang, I think so, mukbang video. Yeah, let's unbox with me. What is it? It is, let me draw it here. Let me draw it here, okay? What is it? It is a mooncake. Then oh, I got a lot. So one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this one bigger. Can you see the version of this one? This is a mooncake, traditional mooncake, and this is a mochi mooncake. Oh, I never tried it, but I remember back then, last time I had an opportunity to become a introvert, a mooncake baking lesson for a school. I also, while when I introvert, I also learned something, but it's like so long, it's such a long time, I think 1 year ago. While working as an interpreter, I also learned how to make and bake mooncakes. I even tried some of the mooncakes they gave me as simple gifts. Chef Bilin Wong was invited to Vietnam to teach Vietnamese people how to bake cakes and introduce his products. He taught how to make Korean crystal mooncakes, Duran mochi, and Taiwanese 3Q mooncakes. I believe he is acting as a flavor consultant for a company. The company, Foodie Hope, imports cake ingredients from Malaysia. Additionally, I noted they also sell a variety of products like chicken floss and spaghetti sauce. And right now, I already have another mochi mooncake. So this is, it look like, see? I think it's, yeah, it's almost my face size. I got like this. Yee! I'm gonna make a thumbnail. Okay, let's unbox a cake to make a mukbang video.